Hey everyone, I share awesome discounted products every day, and today's fantastic deal is the L20 Ultra Robot Vacuum Cleaner, now available at a discount on Amazon. This robot vacuum is a game changer. It can reach tight corners with its mop extend unit, and the automatic base station handles dustbin emptying and mop washing. With 7,000 Pascal suction power and a special rubber brush, it's perfect for removing dirt and hair. Its smart navigation and 3D obstacle avoidance cover your home, while ultrasonic carpet sensors keep your rugs clean and dry. Don't miss out on this deal. Subscribe now for daily updates on the best Amazon discounts.